How to get Sportsfire app on Firestick. So to get the Sportsfire app on your Firestick, first go ahead and install the downloader app on your Firestick. So go to find and then click on search and then type downloader and click on the suggestion to search for the app. And then you should be able to see the downloader on the results page. Now after that, go ahead and select it and click on download. Once the installation is over, go back to the home page. Now, enable installation from unknown sources. Go to settings, My Fire TV, and then select the option security and restrictions. And then open the developer options and then turn on apps from unknown sources. And then after that, go ahead and install Sportsfire on the Firestick using the downloader app. So open the downloader app, go to the URL section and type the URL sportsfire.tv and click on go. On the Sportsfire website, scroll down and click on download app, and then the installation file should now start downloading. You'll then be prompted to install it. So click on install, and after the installation is complete, click on done. From there, you'll get a new option to delete the APK and save space. So click on delete. Now click delete once more to confirm. After that, go to your app section and you will find the new app. You can then check out the interface and start streaming. And that is how to get Sportsfire app on Firestick.